Well, as you know, Al-Jamaah took the lead to replace the DA's chief whip and then the speaker and then the mayor because they messed up Joburg. And now the president has appointed me as his presidential champion to rescue Joburg because of the damage that the DA caused. And the DA has, to get media attention, they're very fond of motion of no confidence. And they are so thick-skinned, they've lost every motion of no confidence. They only have 70 votes. They just lost another seat recently to the Patriotic Alliance. So this motion is a frivolous activity. We must allow Dada Marero to get on to do his work. He's just in the position for a few months. As you know, Al-Jamaah occupied the position of mayorship at the request of 11 political parties. We carried out our mission, and the political party with the most seats and the support of the city of Joburg, they must govern. Al-Jamaah just stood in because there were disagreements amongst 11 parties, because the ANC also needed their votes, and we gracefully gave the coalition 2 mayors to assist them, and now that Dada's in place, his constituency is looking forward to see what he does so they can decide in the next election where their vote will go. And I hope it will go to Al-Jamaah.
And so just to reiterate, Al-Jamaah is not going to support the DA in this upcoming motion of no confidence?
No, none of the political parties will support the motion of no confidence. There's about 270 votes. DA will get 70. So wasted expenditure that day can be used to do work related to service delivery.
Thank you so much.
Okay.